How to catch a cab at the Las Vegas airport. Welcome everyone. On this Vegas Nola Man, information on how to get to the pickup area and Las Vegas taxi airport trip zone pricing. Kick it! Starting back in December of 2019, all direct taxi trips from Harry Reid International Airport are charged at a fixed rate. The flat rate is determined by which zone your destination is located in. There are 3 different zones. Zone 1, the south side of the strip. Zone 2, the center area of the strip. And Zone 3, the north side of the strip. And you should know the zone pricing only apply to the direct trips. Any stop outside of one of these 3 zones will be charged according to the existing meter rates. When multiple stops within a zone are requested, the second trip within a zone will be charged as a new trip. Passengers paying with credit cards will be charged a $3 fee over the zone amount. And the maximum number of passengers permitted in a Las Vegas taxi cab is 5, including infants and children. Here is a breakdown of the properties and rates for each zone. Zone 1. The rate is $19 and the properties are Alexis Park All Suites Resort, Delano Las Vegas, Desert Rose Resort, Excalibur Hotel Casino, Four Seasons Hotel Las Vegas, Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, Howard Johnson by Wyndham, Mandalay Bay Resort, MGM Grand Hotel and Casino, Motel 6 Tropicana, Oil Hotel Casino Las Vegas, Tropicana Las Vegas, Luxor Hotel and Casino, and Thomas & Mack Center. Zone 2. The flat rate is $23 and the properties are as follows: Aria Resort and Casino, Bally's Las Vegas, Bellagio Las Vegas, Cosmopolitan, Alara, Marriott's Grand Chateau, New York Hotel and Casino, Paris Las Vegas, Waldorf Astoria, Park MGM, Planet Hollywood, Polo Towers, the Orleans Hotel and Casino, the Signature at MGM Grand, Travelodge by Wyndham, and Vidara Hotel and Spa. Zone 3 has a flat rate of $27 and the properties include Caesars Palace, Circus, Encore, the Flamingo, Gold Coast, Harrah's, Las Vegas Convention Center, Hilton Grand Vacations at Las Vegas Strip, on Paradise and at the Flamingo, Palace Station Hotel and Casino, the Palms Casino Resort, Resorts World, Las Vegas Marriott, the Link, the Mirage, the Palazzo, Rio All Suites Hotel, Sahara, the Strat, Treasure Island, the Venetian, Westin Las Vegas, Westgate, and the Wynn. To get to the taxicab pickup area at Terminal 1, follow the signs down to the baggage claim area. Go down the escalator to the baggage claim area to get to the taxicab pickup point. Continue going forward through baggage claim and exit the terminal to the passenger pickup area. Exit the terminal and all the taxicabs are queued up in line here and ready to go. There are also airport associates to assist you. If you'd like to see where to catch an Uber at the Las Vegas airport, check out my Uber pickup point video. For less expensive transportation options, check out my CX Express and Airport to the Deuce video. I put a link in the description box below. And hey, if you like what I'm doing, you can buy me a coffee. I put a link in the description box below. Help me upgrade and grow, and buy me a Joe. Support my channel by subscribing. It's free! Tap the center icon on the screen now to subscribe. Hit that bell icon down below, and you will receive notifications on future videos.